Okay, goodbye. See you guys in a little bit. Could you,
I can't believe
What's going on, guys? I haven't picked up the camera in a couple days, so now here I am. We are on our way down to the beach, down the shore, because I'm from Jersey, and it's just gonna be a great weekend. So I hope you guys come along, and I'll see you guys in a second. We made it. We are here.
Guys, listen. Is there a doorbell?
Hi. Oh, hi.
Good for Ryan?
Yes, I am.
Next door.
Next door, I'm sorry.
No
Hello.
Hi. What's up? Made it alive.
Thank God.
Yeah, good job.
We made it. We're down in, where are we? Sea Isle City. Here's the plan for the weekend. We're just hanging out here at the house for a little bit, probably tonight and tomorrow, and then during the day, the plan is to go surfing, but it is like 50 degrees here, so I gotta get a wetsuit and then hopefully we'll be in the water. But until then, I don't know what I'm gonna shoot, so just enjoy whatever I put together right now. Cool. We made it to Avalon. No! Sea Isle City! We are in Sea Isle City. It's cold. It's gray. I got my grow fit on. We are ready to start the weekend.
Hi. It's really cold, but it's beautiful.
Just like Matt's grow fit, yeah. I had to put the grow fit on. I didn't realize it was unintentional, but. Alright.
Yeah, I can tell.
So.
Yeah, we did.
You see everybody? Yeah. What's going on, guys? So I thought for the last part of this video, since it's not
really loud,
since it's not much of anything, we could, you know, try something new and try a little challenge video. Okay. So we're gonna be doing the whisper challenge. We're gonna try the whisper challenge right now. I don't know if anybody. Do you know what the whisper challenge is?
You put headphones in and try to understand what you're saying.
I mean, that's basically it. Both.
How do you play this one?
Turning up.
What's the next?
Wait, what am I doing?
So we're gonna come up with a phrase, and you're gonna keep your headphones on.
That's my kidney. Okay,
And then we're gonna say the phrase, and you have to guess what we're saying.
Do I say it with the headphones still on?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm done for the night, I'm done.
So
Yeah, why should
I don't know how loud this. Oh, that would have been really loud.
Don't make it too
I
loud.
won't make it too loud. Shut up. Ow. Can you hear me?
Not really.
Not really, or?
Just talk quietly and tell it.
Talk.
Hi, my name is Matt, and
I can hear you.
please get the cheese out of the garage.
It's so difficult.
Redo that.
Please get the cheese out of the garage.
I heard please take the cheese.
You're close.
Get there, yeah.
Please get the cheese out of the garage.
Please take the cheese out of the garage.
Close enough. We should play Monopoly.
You should match headphones.
We should play Monopoly.
These are so loud. Seriously,
We should play Monopoly.
Would you play Monopoly?
Close. We should play Monopoly.
We should play.
Okay. We should play Monopoly.
Right here. Right here. The Rangers are a bad hockey team.
Why can't you just say
Is it appropriate?
The
The
Rangers.
refrigerator.
No. Rangers are a bad hockey team. Yes, good job. Rangers
Race car.
are a bad hockey team.
I'm so bad at this. The Ranger.
Rangers
Rangers.
are
Are.
a
Wait, do it
Wait, you
again.
can't talk. Don't talk so loud. Don't talk so
The
loud.
Rangers are a bad hockey
getting
team.
mad at me.
The Rangers are a bad hockey team.
Bad.
Dude. What?
I'm bad at that.
Nothing.
Okay, I think that's it for
Not
tonight.
Monopoly.
Do you want to do
So-
it?
Monopoly is such a good
That's it for
Well,
tonight,
no.
guys. So hopefully,
Play beer.
you all tomorrow.
Hopefully. Well, he may not.
I may not.
He won't
might
make it through
die.
tonight.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
kill.
Hopefully, I'll see you soon.
I'm gonna kill him.
Black and white,